Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you write a paragraph to contrast. Two brothers. When we contrast, we talk about or write about things that are different. So here are some words that we can use: but, however, while, etc. So also we're going to focus on paragraph structure. So to write a good paragraph, it must have these three different things in this order. So first we need a topic sentence. So you can see our picture of the two boys. So I need to introduce the two boys. This is what I'm writing about. So I've said the two boys are brothers. Okay, but this is a very big subject or topic to write about. So what exactly about the brothers is this paragraph going to write about? So you can see I've added, but Sam is different from Jim. So this gives the reader the idea that this paragraph is going to talk about all the ways that Sam and Jim are different. So the first idea, what is different about them? So here we've talked about their personality, their personal traits. Sam is very quiet and shy. And then but is used to link the two together to show something different is coming. Jim will talk to anyone. So I've compared, contrasted their personalities. Okay, then we need to talk about, well, what else can we write that is different about these two brothers? So I introduce hobbies. I talk about what Sam's hobbies are. I use while to link and add Jim's hobbies to show that they are different. Then we need something more about them. So what does Jim love doing? Okay, but then we also need to say, well, what does Sam like doing? So I've used however to show here's something different in this next sentence. Sam likes to sit in his favorite chair and read. So the things they enjoy to do, they love or like doing. Then finally our concluding sentence. So I'm introducing again that they are family, but this time they are twins. But to show something is different is coming. They have different hobbies and personalities. So we're repeating the same ideas from our topic sentence. We said Sam is different from Jim. We want to repeat this idea in our concluding sentence. So you can see I said it again but differently, but have different hobbies and personalities. So this shows that this paragraph is now finished. It is closed. So we're repeating the main ideas from our topic sentence into our concluding sentence, but we need to write them just a little bit differently. Then we have a good paragraph. A topic sentence, we write 3 or 4 sentences about how these things are different, and then a concluding sentence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.